In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up an email forwarding from your Gmail to Zoho Desk email. So I have here to go to set up an email forwarding. First, we need the department email, so where you want to forward the email. So in this video, I'm going to forward my emails to the legal department. So first things first, you need to go to setup. Go to the departments, copy this legal email, this support email for my legal department. Then next we need to go to our Gmail. So I have here my Gmail and then go to the setup, then click all see all settings, then look for the forwarding or pop here. So forwarding and pop IMAP, click that. Then what you're gonna do is to add the email address here. Just click this button, add your email, your Zoho Desk email, then click next. You would need to have a confirmation. Just wait. Add my passkey. Just verify it through my phone. There. Then you just need to click proceed. There. Now you have added your email. Next, you want to verify your email. You go to your Zoho Desks and go to the legal department tickets. You will be received this email. Copy this link, then paste it into your URL, then just confirm. Then your confirmation successful. Then next we're going to go back. Now let me just delete this. Oh no, and let's just skip them that way. Then let's go back here. Then you want to since I already enabled this, it's already enabled, but in your case, if you did not set up an email forwarding, this the status would be disabled. So what you're going to do is you can select either here enable all email, so even the email that's already been downloaded, or email that was arriving from now on. So then you can when you can keep your Gmail copy in your inbox and or mark copy as read, or you can archive your Gmail copy or delete your Gmail copy. Then here under the IMAP access, so if you're in case you want to delete your Gmail copy, you can have it an auto expunge, which immediately update your Gmail. There are expansion where you need to confirm the delete. So here's another message. So when the deleted is expunged, where do you want to move that message? You want to archive the message? You want to move the message to trash, or immediately delete it the message forever? Then we have a folder size limit. So if you want to limit your folder, your IMAP folder, you can just click here, select that, or if not, you can add no limit. So let's try this and save. So if you go back to that setting, see changes happen. We'll just refresh this. Then let's go back to the settings. Yeah, so you can see it's still disable forwarding. What you're going to do is select this Then so email forward a copy of the incoming email to our Zoho desk and keep a Gmail copy in the inbox or delete them as well. So you want to select this, enable pop for all email that is arriving from now on. Then that's it. Yeah, you don't need I don't want to auto expunge my email, so we click save. Then from now on, any emails that is being sent to our sample legal support email will be forwarded to our legal department. So let's test this out. So I'm going to send a email to this email address. Let's wait for it. Here, as you can see, I have received an email. Here, it is addressed to me, this email, and not in the Zoho Desk email. Then since we set up a forwarding, it would send a copy to our Zoho Desk legal departments. So you see here, the copy was forwarded to Zoho Desk. So yeah, so that's how you set up email forwarding from Gmail to Zoho Desk. If you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe. And for more how-to videos on Zoho Desk, click the notification bell. Thank you. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how uh, we can configure or set up an outgoing email server or SMTP in Zoho Desk. So if you are inside your Zoho Desk, what you need to go is go to settings, setup, then in your channels, you can select the email, then look for the from address here below the support email address, the from address. So here you can add your email address. So click this button. Then I want to add adjusting an email, and if you want to add a friendly name, there, then you can toggle this to use your SMTP server like that. Then you have option to choose your server. You have here a custom SMTP where you can input your authentication, your server details, and encryption, or you can use pre-built SMTP server where you don't need to set up the authentication. Yes, for example, here I'm using Google. Then click save and authenticate. Here we would need to log in your Gmail, and then just make sure to get permission that, and your now you have added your from address to your Zoho Desk. And to identify if this is working, you can go to a ticket. Let's use this as a sample. Then let's send a reply to this email. Then we'll use the one that we created, this one, the do tester. Then let's try to remove this and this, and also remove this one. Here you can just send a sample reply. You can just say uh, like this. You can just send a reply. This is just a sample, so uh, keep that in mind. Then remember, we're using the email that we set up, the SMTP one. Then the recipient is this. So click send there. So an email was been sent to this email address using the outgoing email that we set up. So let me show you the email that received that one. Here is the sample of the email that was sent. Just hover it. We just here. So here is the email that was sent to me to this email address. Let me just try to move this here. So with this email address, it was sent successfully from the one that we set up. It did not use the default Zoho email address. It uses the one that we have set up. So yeah, so that's how you create or configure the outgoing email server or the SMTP. You can also aside from creating that, you can also edit this. Of course, you cannot change the email, but you can toggle it. You can disable the SMTP. So yeah, or change the department. So yeah, so that's how you set up or configure an outgoing email server or SMTP in Zoho Desk. So if you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more how-to videos, just click the notification button for more updates. Thank you. Hi, for this video, we're going to show you how we can set up in email templates for auto replies. So to create an email template, what you just need to do is just go to the setup. Then under customization, select the email templates. Then click this button, add. You have the option to add a new template and create a new template folder. But before we add a new template, let's create a separate folder for that. So let's say custom email templates. This way, we can separate our custom email templates from the default email templates. Then click add templates. Here we can select the module. So we have the tickets. Then we can add the name of the email template. So let's say this is email received. Sorry, spelling. Legal support. Here, then we can select the folder. Here, the one that we created earlier. Then we can select the from address. So I have here a email address that we're using for the SMTP. If you haven't watched that video, just look on the link below. So here, in your case, you can use the default email address from your Zoho. Then you can add a reply to if you want. or you can just leave it blank. Then you want to add the subject. So I have here a sample email template. Then here we can add our message. So here we want to change this customer name to a placeholder. We will use the ticket's contact name version. Then we can add the rest of the email. Here we will change this into a placeholder for the ticket number. Yeah, I think that's the one. The ticket ID. Then we can just bold this, the style. There. Then add the new line. And we can continue adding the rest of the email. There. Then you can change this to the ticket request name, subject. Then the ticket received date. We just look for that field. I think it's this one. Let's try moving this so we can like that. Then one last thing, we can add our signature. We can change this. Let's use the email that we set up for our legal department. So we can use this one. So I have here now created a email template for our auto response. So once we're done with this, we can just click save, or we can preview the email. See, we can add, I think we can add one more space here. Then we can add that. Let's try adding some spaces. Like that. Let's try adding one more space here. Shift the view here. And this is okay. I want to the style here. I want to make this full. I want to change the font size to 12. And also, I think you can also change the font to whatever you like. But using Arial. Then you can add image or line spacing if you want. Yeah. So just once you're done with this, you can just change this. There. Sorry. Then you click save. And now you've done. Let's check on that folder. You can see here. Now to create a auto response workflow, you just need to go to the workflow. You can create the rule. So tickets, you change to and say email confirmation. I saw spelling to customer. Make it easy to read, to understand. Then click next. Then we can execute on when the ticket is created. And next. And we can try adding a criteria if you want, but you can also leave it blank. We can add a criteria. Let's leave it blank. Click next. Then we can add the action. What we want is to send an alert, send a new alert, send email confirmation to customer. Then we can select the template that we have created here. Then we can send the email alerts to the contact. You can add additional recipients. This is emails. You can just add multiple ones, just separate them with a comma. Yeah. So if there, then we can also notify the owner or the agent assigned for this ticket, or just the customer. Click save. Then click save. And that's that. Now you have a workflow rule that will automatically trigger when the ticket is created and will send a reply to the customer. So let's test that out. Let me send an email to our Zoho Desk. Let me just try to open the email address. Just my email. Over that. Let me try sending an email. Let me just first remove this so you guys can see it better. So I'm sending an email now. So it should be here. Just for that, then I sent an email. Then let's wait for it to create the ticket. There's our desk. There we have created the ticket. So here you check the history. As you can see, we have sent an email. Our new alert trigger. So we sent an email to the customer. So if we go to that email here, show you what the email was sent. So this was the email sent to me from from our Zoho Desk. So here, as you can see, this is the email template that we created. You can update this according to your like, but yeah, so it did send the email. Okay. So if you like this video, feel free to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. And for more how-to videos on Zoho Desk, hit the notification bell icon. So thank you.